Alright, before I start this video, those of you that don't know, I'm home. I got home on December 10th, like in the evening, and but I still have tons of footage to edit, literally 10 different videos, so they'll be coming out slowly, eventually. But here, there's the video. What is up? I am back in Canada. You know, it's good to see some snow again, but it's not enough. I want some more. But I just got back today, last night actually. Surprised my mom, she had no idea. She thought I was flying in next week, so that was cool. It was awesome. Since, you know, I went traveling for almost 3 months, I thought, hey, let's try to milk out some views. Maybe I can get to 1,000 subs and just do some cheeky travel stuff. So I'm gonna show you what I packed for 3 months of travel. And yeah, let's get started. So I had, this is my main bag. It's an amazing bag. I got it from Mac. It was like $220, but like lifetime warranty. So worth it. But it's 40 liters. It's the Osprey Farpoint 40. Very awesome. And I brought this. This is a hydration pack. I would have rather had a different one, but I needed this for the marathon I ran. And this was just my safety pouch thing. My wallet and passport. I only lost it once on a bus, but I got it back, so thank the Lord. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna take some stuff out. We'll do this one after. Starting with this stuff, I actually brought my laptop, so that was a big part. Like, it added weight, and it was annoying having it, but I needed it for some things I wanted to do, so yeah, so I brought my laptop. Safety pouch that I didn't end up using. Journal, some papers, smuggled some chopsticks home. Okay, now the main part. That's what I got in there. I'll just time-lapse it out. I brought my double hammock. Like this is a good size, honestly. It doesn't say the weight, but it takes up that much of space. So that wasn't necessary, but I'm glad I brought it. Here's a picture of a beautiful site in Vang Vieng, Lao. Amazing, I know. Another thing that I really did not need, like seriously, I brought my Xbox controller to play Rocket League on my laptop. The 40-liter bag, I had multiple things that I didn't actually need. So it just shows that you really don't need much. The people I told thought I was crazy that I brought a controller traveling. One other thing that I didn't use, a raincoat. I got lucky with the weather, but I didn't even use my raincoat once. I would suggest forgetting the raincoat and just buying the really cheap plastic ponchos they have there, so it would save you space. Another thing I didn't use, this is a gimbal for my GoPro that I'm recording with right now, and I used this once on my first day in Sapa. It just takes up space, so next time I wouldn't bring that. I didn't use my glasses much. There's a lot of things that I packed that seriously didn't need. I could have went on a much smaller bag, but I only met one person that has a smaller bag than 40 liters, and that was my friend Ollie. He was traveling on 30-liter bag, which was awesome. Like there was some people with like 70-liter bag, like bags like this one, packed like full. Like I don't know how they did that. I took 2 dress shirts. Yeah. So I only took 2 t-shirts and 2 tank tops. That was plenty. I ended up getting some. I got all these t-shirts for free. These 2 are from the mountain marathon I did in Vietnam, so I had those for most of my trip, taking up space. And this one I got from doing diving in Koh Tao. Pretty cool, a little turtle there. But that was the stuff that was added on into my trip. These shorts, they're thicker. I brought these shorts as well. Oh, this sweater, I didn't wear, not sweater, this long sleeve, I brought along in case it got cold sometimes, but I didn't wear it until I got back home from, into Canada, because, you know, it's pretty cold here right now. But yeah, these shorts, much rather have had something thinner like these. So I had 1, 2, 3 pairs of nicer shorts, and 2 pairs of like athletic shorts. So yeah, it was that. I took like 4 pairs of socks, a travel adapter, a pair of underwear. That's like the main. Oh yeah, there's also this bag. Nothing. Yo, what the heck? I got bananas in here, dude. That's where they went. No way. Thought I was gonna eat them. but apparently I didn't and stuffed them at the bottom. That's kind of gross. One of the most clutch things I had, especially for bus rides, was a power bank. This one's a solar one, didn't use that. I bought that for camping kind of deal. But yeah, very useful. These two bags, I got this from the marathon I ran as well. But it's a string backpack. So very useful like for a day pack. But I brought this one along. It's a backpack, like a proper backpack that you can pack down. It's so useful to have for like day trips. I used it a lot. Like it's super thin, but it's perfect size for days. Super worth it to get. It's like $20 on Amazon or something. I'm gonna show you what I didn't use and how much space it took up. Could include my laptop in this because like if you go traveling, you might not need a laptop. I just wanted to edit videos. If you include my laptop in here, got this, the mouse. I didn't need this at all. The gimbal, my double hammock. I didn't need this, but I'm glad I brought it. I'd suggest going with the smaller hammock if you were to, like a lightweight. And this, I seriously didn't need this, so, but I brought it anyways. Used it, and the raincoat. So all this, it's got to be a good 5 or 6 pounds at least. Oh, and this, so like 6 pounds. So if you're traveling for the first time, just try to figure out. You'd be fine without a raincoat. Like seriously, just get a poncho there. They were super cheap. There's a lot of things that you can just buy there that save you a lot of space. I also came home with these 2 free shirts. I bought a shirt that I thought was quite suiting for me. I thought I got 3 scarves, but I don't know where the other one is. I hope I didn't forget it there. Oh, I brought my shoes as well. Shoes and sandals. Yeah, that's what I brought to Southeast Asia for 3 months. And yeah, all I had was a 40-liter bag. That's the most you need. Like, I don't see any reason you'd need anything more than that. Like a 40-liter bag and then a second bag to have. Yeah. So maybe this will get views. That's all I want. If I could get 1,000 subscribers and get monetized, that would be cool. But I got a lot of footage to edit. My friend Jake's gonna help me, so it might be better than normal. It might seem a little less amateur and newbie. But yeah, yeah, that's it. Cool. Bye.